today I am vlogging with my two best friends, Maggie, and Cindy's over there in the bathroom. We're just jamming into her and we're all getting ready. I think this is the very first time in world history that I'm the one that's first ready. So today's I'm just wearing like a, what are this? I don't really know, but you guys
are this?
If you guys watch Jenna Marbles, you know. And these lashes have been my favorite recently. They're by Flutter, but what are we about to do right now?
Well, first we're gonna go to the strip club.
Yeah.
Get breakfast because we need to eat before all of us start attacking each other, and then.
No, literally, we all get so hangry, like it's not even okay.
Hey guys, so we're actually off to go get some lunch right now.
I'm excited. We're all like really hungry.
Literally, Cinder looks like a very yummy, skinny, thick chocolate bar, and I stand.
Oh.
I think we're going to Earth. Probably gonna get the usual thing that we always get. Okay, you could have went. Literally every time Aidette's in the car, she like waits last minute and then she stresses me out because like you know how some people just wait for the car to pass and they stress out. Like no, she'll wait till like seconds before because she'll finally convince herself to go. And I'm like, dude, like all of this could have been avoided if you just went. But anyways, what are you gonna get from Earth, Cindy?
Are you gonna get that for me?
A cafe, a Spanish latte.
Ooh,
I got it
yum.
last time and it was really good. A paninos.
Paninos! Wow. Okay, I'm sure you guys already know by now, but we literally put an ER at the end of everything, and it just makes things, you know, ours.
We're here at Earth. Nice little sunny day. It's actually really hot today. It's been really cold, like in the 60s, but nice 80s today, feeling like summer. Why?
I don't like it. It's so gross.
Let's take a moment for this perfect Spanish granita latte with boba and whipped cream. So we're a little less hungry, just a little. The aftermath, no, we're good. Maggie going to get our boxes. We just finished eating at Earth and we're gonna be going across the street to Restoration Hardware. It's a super fancy furniture store that's super popular for taking pictures. That's what it looks like over there, and it's so pretty inside. You guys have seen in plenty of my vlogs, but the pictures are gonna be so good.
Okay, so we came to this rooftop and literally look at these girls.
They'll be like yeah, do the course, and then I'll be like, and then I'll do like the little posing thing.
Currently doing a skit right now. Let's look at all of LA. Oh my god, this is so fucking close.
Bad showing. Wait, did you hear that?
This is how we take pictures.
Alright guys, so we just took so much content. We literally took a skit that's gonna be so freaking funny. It's already gonna be up on my Instagram by the time that you guys are watching this vlog. And then we have Maggie over here, her usual Instagram stories.
Don't ever do that again.
Did you just touch my ass?
No,
You know what? I don't.
You guys, don't you love us? We're just blonde together. A whole box of chocolates, come with me. Forrest Gump had a lot going for him. I love him. Yeah, bitch, I'm a cow. Go move, move. Say bitch, I'm too smooth. Oh my god.
Got milk, bitch. Got beef. Got steak, ho. Get out my head.
What? Really?
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Just do it. Do it, do it, do it.
So I don't have my vlogging camera. I stopped vlogging after, I don't know, our activities yesterday.
Yo, why does it smells literally like cat piss? I had a cat. Oh, she was a bitch. I gave her up for adoption.
Then we have Magger over here storming off. Louiser, yeah. It's hot.
It is now.
Holy fucking shit.
Where is it? Blue Jam was a flop because there's 35 people waiting in line, so that was gonna take at least 2 hours. Right now we're going to 7-Eleven and get some water, get hydrated. Magger is making me try this iced coffee. How good is it?
It's really good, I swear.
Like 1 through 10.
Me, like my high school me was like, is like crying right now out of happiness.
Vanilla or did you get mocha?
I got vanilla.
Okay.
Wait, first of all, let me put my sunglasses on because I'm not try buying a lighter. And she was like, oh, how old are you? And I was like 18. And she was like, oh, you have to be 21 to buy a lighter. And I was like, it's for a candle. And then she was like, She just literally just stood there staring at me, and I literally just grabbed my stuff and walked away. Shout out to that.
Oh.
Yeah, do it.
Favorite Instagram.
Bye.
Instagram stories.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
This looks.
Wow, I need a picture.
Okay, if anything, if I can choose.
Here to the Anastasia party. We are so excited. This is my second year going. We're not going to be able to vlog very much because we have gloves on, and unfortunately that doesn't let us use our phones. But look at this pretty girl.
Hey guys, so we just got here.
Oh, hello. It's Jessica Rabbit and a burlesque little lady.
Like, hello.
Good morning, guys. So I look a little crazy. What's the word? Rough? Yep. On my way to go to Starbucks. It's currently 12:30, I think, almost 1. We're gonna meet up with Luis and Carla later. Luis, Carla, Maggie, and I take so long to get ready. So today's gonna be very juicy. We're gonna be spending some time with some very lovely people. You are so indecisive. Oh, we have a man here. Thank you, boyfriend.
It's like a really like low-cal version of like getting like a
Oh, really? Is that so?
Not long ago, I was a hoe. I got roasted turkey and dill Havarti.
Roasted turkey, boy.
Chief called, said this shit was it. Wait.
What are this? Why did they call you Max?
I know, I was like, dude, that happens all the time at Starbucks. I'm like, you guys not fucking know what a GS is?
So I got this new thing that Maggie made me. Oh, look.
I told you.
Whoa, it's dripping. The cheese is literally dripping. I'm gonna gain like 20 pounds.
It's honestly, that's how. Stop. I told you, it's literally like.
Goes home and adds more cheese.
Like professional.
Grilled cheese. I've always wanted to try that actually. And then,
Yeah, it's bomb.
what did you get for a drink?
I got white mocha with soy, and it has like 2 pumps of espresso. And then what did you get?
Grande vanilla iced coffee with 1 extra pump of vanilla and light creamer.
Oh, so she's extra.
Yeah. Guys, we're doing a mukbang. Not really, but like we're here with the food, so we're like, you know. Guys, this bread is so toasty. I definitely recommend. But this side is like
Maybe they wanted to give you like
floppy,
crunchy.
soft.
Can you try this? Like go from this angle because like it's a lot of bread right here for like no reason. Honestly, we have a lot of things in common, but there's like things that like I really like and she hates. Like I love and she hates. So I'm hoping that this is not one of those things.
No, I just can't eat arugula like just like as a fun salad.
Oh, that's why you don't have the salad at Earth, huh? They have arugula in it. I love spinach too. I literally buy spinach like just to eat it alone. Like won't put dressing on it.
Just to do it for fun?
Yeah, it's really
Oh my
yummy.
God.
Or I'll make scrambled eggs and like, you know, I don't like putting like salt or anything like that. I'll just put like hella spinach and like just eat the eggs like that.
Is that yesterday you made me realize that love that is an LA thing.
Yeah, I don't like that. I need to stop fucking saying it.
Came for 2 days. Love that.
Yeah, because everyone says it. I'm like, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Let's go to Chili's, bitch.
We've been saying that every single day. It's actually horrible.
Hello?
Cheap code? What did he say?
This isn't it.
I already knew. He been told me.
You know, these are your spongers.
Hmm?
Yeah. I don't know what the freak happened to my green sponge, but it was there and now it's not there. Did you hide it?
No.
Don't lie.
It was on the carpet.
Love
wow.
that.
Oh my god, it looks like we took a picture together.
So me and I got in a fight last time I was here. It was the first time I was visiting her in her new apartment actually. Super ugly, like, oh, don't forget to write something on the wall. So I wrote, am angry. Like, that's all I wrote. Like, everyone has like sweet messages, like I love you, like so proud of you. Just like a random like huge like, am angry.
And then we have Luis up here, to freedom! me blotting my bread. Insert Squidward or bite.
the horse one, like I use guy deodorant because my armpits are very sensitive. What she said was, is this your deodorant? I was like, and I turned back and I was like, yeah, that's mine. She's like, are you a men? Not a man. Are you a men?
Because look, it says men.
What else have you said recently? Wait, but I have to fart.
Okay, so we are finally out. This is the look that I'm going for my first outfit. This is a neon green dress from Windsor. I'm pissed.
We have been on a mission to come here. But anyway, she looks really good though, so. Stomping in my Air Force Ones.
We both have Nikes. I love that.
Love that, yeah.
What? Well, I don't have any shorter nails either.
My nails are short.
Sorry, sir. Is there any way that you can pull my card out? Our nails are like making it impossible. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Hi. What do you guys have to do tonight?
Sorry?
You guys want to come home with us? Yeah. Party.
Oh, you have a party? She's like, what?
My best friend is like Becky.
Me. Yeah, we're planning on going to bed too.
Yeah.
We're such grandmas.
Yeah, we're honestly really grandma.
Okay, now.
Oh, hi.
You already get it.
We are here at Eureka with Carla and Louise and Maggie.
She didn't let me do it. She literally just stopped the camera.
Wait, let him finish.
Oh shoot! I didn't. Okay. All right. Hit it. Okay, your turn. Your turn.
No, because we'll be like make conversation.
And this was for a
It should be under Maggie Lewis. No worries at all. It was more so me just trying to understand because it was my first time ordering this specific roll.
Alright guys, this is the end of my vlog. We are exhausted, so we're gonna reward ourselves with sushi because we got so much content in and Maggie's leaving tomorrow. But you guys will see her in about a month. So peace out guys.